For this video, I am going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. So the process is really simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to head over to app.clickup.com, and all the links that you might need is available in the description down below. So if you want to have an access to the link or the official website, you can just check that in there. So now once you are in the official website, you just need then to log into your account using your own credentials. And then once you are in here, just go to these pieces that you want to add upload files or specific task if you want to add it into a task. So for example, right here under the to-do list, I have different tasks right here. So I'm just going to click into a random one right here for the purposes of this video or for the purpose of this video. So then once you have click into that specific task, what you need to do is to scroll down until the very bottom until you see this attachments section on the bottom part of it. So then what you need to do next is to click onto this upload section right here, or click onto this plus button or button situated on the right side part of it, and says right here at attachment. So click onto that, and then you'll have different options. So you can upload file from your local device, you can add a new doc, attach Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, Google Drive, and also new Google Docs. So now what we're going to do for this one is we're going to upload file from my local device. I'm just going to select local file and select the file that I want to upload here in my task, and just wait for it to completely be uploaded here in my task. So that's it. And also, if you want to select, or if you want to use Dropbox, Google Drive, and also Google Docs, it is you should take note that you need to go for the paid account, specifically the unlimited plan, for you to be able to unlock the cloud attachments. So if you're willing to do that, or you are willing to pay for $7 per month, so you can just click this choose unlimited button and go through the process for you to be able to buy the plan and upload files or attachments here in your task in ClickUp. So that's it. That is how you can upload files here in ClickUp. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.